Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We've got this, it comes to us from Wansview, and this is a great camera that you can pan and tilt. Absolutely incredible. Has a huge light here with 4 LEDs to where you can light up the night. I used it and I was very successful with this. I temporarily mounted it out the back porch when we had some roofers here. In this particular situation, the roofers arrived. I decided to drive up to Tallahassee, and you know what happened? I got a notification from Motion that there was some activity in the backyard. Happened to check the camera, figured let's see what's going on, and they were fishing off my dock. I don't want them fishing off my dock. I want them putting the roof on the house. I guess they knew I wasn't home, so they were gonna spend the day fishing and not get the work done. So anyway, I was able to use the two-way microphone and tell them to get back to work. I was able to zoom in and see what they were doing. And for me, that made a world of difference. And it's all because of security cameras. You can feel so much more secure with your house. We had an issue last week. We had someone break in. We had an issue with the workers coming into the back porch, which let our cats out. And we're able to track all of that thanks to the good folks at Wansview. Now, some of the things that's nice about this, you can have additional users, which means through the settings and everything, you can have different people access your cameras or not access your cameras. That's important. Very secure connection. On top of that, you can set up the motion detection. You have a motion detection siren. If nobody's supposed to be on your back porch, put this on your back porch and watch the alarm go off. In fact, I just got a notification because of my motion here that somebody's on the back porch, and that makes me feel secure that it's telling me that. You can change the sensitivity, of course, of the movement, things like that, and it's going to be able to identify, people on your porch. And that's a very important aspect to this really cool camera. 2.4 gigahertz, connects to your Wi-Fi, and because it's not a battery-based camera, just plugs into your standard 110 or a USB-A, you don't have to worry about that battery going out while you're on vacation. This thing is good to go without a word to say. Easy to mount, just 3 screws. I have it currently, for this portion of the video, temporarily mounted just to a board so you can see, but just 3 screws in the back, which it does come with all that. And stick around for the up close portion of the video. We're gonna show you all the stuff that comes with a fantastic camera like this. It's got great night vision, incredible night vision, that HD, the very high resolution that you're only going to get from a company like this. And yeah, we can even turn up the notifications to get rich notifications, great amount of detail, and know exactly what's going on. This is great if you want to watch. I've got a lake back here, like I said, and if I want to watch the ducks, the geese, the raccoons, and the possum, I can see from notification of those guys, or I can turn it to where I can know when somebody's on my dock. Yeah, I'm glad I knew that. I'm glad I knew when someone was going in and out of my screened-in porch. I'm glad that I have something that will pan and check out the area and has a highly user-friendly and intuitive interface. The install was easy. Plug it in, it's automatically in the connection mode. Install the app before you plug it in, that's my tip. And then just go ahead and add W7, add device, add W7. It'll tell you to show this camera the QR code, and it'll connect to your internet. It's just that easy. It probably was 30 seconds, maybe a minute. Absolutely easy to set up, durable, stylish, sophisticated, and chic, and a great image quality. Now, I can't go over every single feature of this fantastic camera because it is so advanced. There's so many things to it, but take it from me. Security is important. Knowing who's in your backyard, being able to back up to those events and see what's going on, recording events, and the fact that you can put that card in there and remember hours and hours of footage. Go back days and days and days, and that's going to make you feel so secure. If you need to go back to the 14th and see who was in your back porch, why is your car missing, that sort of thing, this is going to make a difference. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We've got a great product here. Absolutely love it. Go ahead and check it out for yourself. You won't be disappointed. I appreciate all of you. Hopefully we showed you plenty of overlays of actual use footage of security cameras at my house. Wansview, durable, stylish, sophisticated, chic, built to last, and I absolutely love it. I appreciate you, and stick around for an up-close portion of the video where you get to see all the UNBOX details that you need. All right, the question is, should you get it? The answer is yes. All right, folks, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video, Wansview. It's the W7 2K 3 megapixel outdoor camera. Yeah, that's right, the W7 is 2K 3 megapixel, 5 volt, 1 amp, and it is power consumption of less than 5 watts, so it's wildly energy efficient. It works with your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network in temperatures from negative 10 Celsius to 50. Of course, the working humidity is 10 degrees to 90 degrees. Data storage, it has 128 gigabyte TF Max card, which is not included. And of course, the dimensions are 160 by 150 by 105. All right. So let's go ahead and check this thing out. Very excited about it. Woo, a couple stickers you can let people know they are under surveillance, baby. Oh yeah. And then the quick installation guide, the W3 quick installation. This is gonna be great, really fun. You can see there's the indicator light, the infrared light, the lens, the microphone, the photo sensor. So you got that two-way audio, the TF slot, and of course the reset button all there. Of course, the app is available in your Google Store and your Apple Store. All you have to do is click Add Device, select the W7, and you're good to go without a word to say. Now let's go ahead and move some of these items over here. Here's your 110 outlet plug. This will allow you to drill the holes that you need. And of course, here is the all the mounting apparatus that you'll ever need right there, which is fantastic as well. Now you have a stylish, sophisticated, high-speed, low-drag design that is built to last. Of course, that 24-hour surveillance, and it is powered right here. Look at that. Now, the big antennas are going to give you good coverage, and yeah, this again, it's a very energy-efficient camera. You peel that off. How satisfying is that? And you have pan, tilt, and of course, zoom. I absolutely love it. Folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. USB-A plug-in. That's such a universal, long-term used remote port. And then look at this, long cabling. We don't have to worry about it. That is super awesome as well. You can go left, right, up, down, pretty much zoom just about anywhere. That's super cool. And yeah, the installation is a GIF, with the Wi-Fi setup being easy, with your 2.4 gigahertz network. And of course, it will pair just so easy. Now, Wansview, W-A-N-S-V-I-E-W, go ahead and get the APP, the app, for FR to the EE on your store, your preferential store, whether that's Google or Apple. Folks, my name is Adam. Elite Demonstrations, we're showing you the best of the best. Of course, so you can forget the rest. That's what you want to do, right? You don't need to deal with the rest when you got the best. And look at that, they got that 1, 2, 3, 4 lights for big night coverage. Durable, stylish, sophisticated. Pretty chic, right? Pretty nice. All right, folks, I'm Adam. If your question is, should you pick it up? I think the answer is yes. Adios, amigos.